Ayan everyone, hello guys, welcome to my channel, Rosa's Vlog. So ngayon guys, papunta kami sa waterfalls. So maglalakad kami guys sa waterfalls na malapit lang dito sa amin. So let's go. Hindi ko lang sabi sa ano. Hello mga Rosas, welcome to my vlog for today. I hope you enjoy watching. Dito guys, ang ganda ng tanawin. Gusto kong puntahan ng mga lugar, yung nature. Nasabangan niyo kami guys pagdating namin doon sa actual waterfalls.
Imagine how the boat's going.
Nandito na kami sa Macquarie Falls. Sasamahan nyo kami, tara! Guys, ayan, dito na kayo guys. So, papasok kayo na may mga nagpunta na doon. So, ito ang entrance guys ng waterfalls na pupuntahan namin. So, ayan, papasokin namin yung bush na yan. Ayan, yung kagubatan na yan, papasukin namin. Ito yung kanyang surroundings. So, diba sa entrance pa lang guys, sa entrance pa lang ng waterfalls na to, mapapa-wow ka na talaga. At saka time check dito sa amin guys, it's 3 o'clock. So galing sa bahay namin, hanong ito ka sa driver trace, half an hour? No.
20 minutes.
20 minutes, eh. Doon kami nagka-park. Yan, doon kami nag-park guys. Ayan, so galing sa bahay namin, 20 minutes drive galing sa bahay namin. So malapit lang siya kaysa sa pinuntahan namin dati. Pinuntahan namin dati ay 45 minutes. Pero guys, pag galing ng Sydney, papunta dito sa falls na to, galing Sydney, I think it will take 2 hours. So depende sa traffic. 2 hours or 1.5. Ayun. Pakita ko sa inyo ang kanyang. There's a map there, Tom. There's a map here. Pakita ko yan. Ito yung kanyang. Yan. Kami. Cascade Rainforest. I tell you, there's a map. You should follow the other two. Ah, there's a. Ayan, may tubig na doon. I'll see. Do you know where to go, Tom? Do you know where to go? No. Oh my god. Huh? Yeah, may sa. Look at the water. It's already nice. See, the water is nice already guys. May mga ano na dito. Yan, samahan niyo kami guys sa aming paglalakbay ngayong araw. Diba dito pa lang guys, maririnig mo na maririnig mo na ang tubig. Ayan is yung tawag sa amin, tawag dito sa amin. So even there you can swim. In there, oh. You can swim even there. The kids.
Your foot can swim, yeah.
No, the child. Will be nice for Saraya. Will be nice for Saraya. Akit na tayo dito guys. Akyat ng bundok. This is our exercise for today. Look at that guys. Naakyatin. So this is our exercise for today guys. Oh my gosh. Exercise. Oh my goodness. Oh. Well, she wasn't too bad than the one in New Zealand. The one in New Zealand, we climbed up higher than that one. Did we? We're already popping, guys. Look. How did you go to? Ayan. Ang ganda dito, guys. Oh. Ito yung masarap, no, pag nag-aakyat ka. Pag nagpupunta ka sa mga ano. Kapag ano ka, mahilig ka sa natures. Pag nature lover ka, guys, mag-i-enjoy ka sa mga ganitong walk. Mag-i-enjoy ka sa mga ganitong tanawin. Ayan. Kasi hindi namin alam kung saan kami dadalhin itong hindi namin alam kung saan kami dadalhin itong ano, itong pathway na to. Wala kami. Actually, you should look at the map, Tom. Oh, look at this. Look at this tree. It's different.
That's the swelly tree that was in
Huh?
my phone.
Look.
That's the swelly tree that was in the video.
Which video? Look. What the heck? It's different. It's different, guys.
That's what Dad gave me for cutting his toenails. I was like, shit, hell yeah.
Look at this tree. Ito yung ano niya. Oh, yan yung puno.
Mom, you should sit there. Let me take a photo of you.
Okay. So, ayan, guys. Walang katapusang lakad, guys. So, hindi namin alam kung saan yung waterfalls talaga. So, sinusundan lang namin itong truck, guys. Sinusundan lang namin to. So, tingnan namin kung saan kami dito dadalhin. Medyo malayo lang yung lakaran pa ito, guys. Maraming ano dito, oh. Ito yung ginagawang ano sa Pilipinas. Ginagawang nipa hut. Alright, guys. Nagkakahingal. Kakahingal, guys. Pero at least hindi akyatin masyado yung daan. Ayan. Hindi akyatin masyado yung daan, guys. So, siyempre, kailangan lang natin maging aware sa ating nilalakaran sa harap. So, kailangan nating maging mapagmasid, siyempre. Yung dalawa kanina, biglang nawala. Where is the other two?
Huh?
The other two, they're gone already. The other two person. Where they gone? They walk that fast? My gosh. So we don't know, guys, where is the waterfalls. We don't know. I think it's not this way, Trish. So, hindi namin alam, guys. Ewan ko saan kami dadalhin itong ano. Saan kami dadalhin itong pathway na to. Samahan nyo kami, guys, sa aming paglalakad. Hanggang sa mahanap namin yung actual na waterfall. So, sinasabi nilang hidden gem dito sa Macquarie Pass, New South Wales, Australia. Ayan. So, hindi namin alam kung saan ba talaga, puro natutubig. So, hindi namin alam kung saan yung sinasabi nilang hidden gem. Wala pa namang signal dito, guys. Walang signal. So, no. Even there, oh, it's good to swim. Yeah, I read one of the send the kids. It says good for Saraya, isn't it? Even there, too. We can swim there.
You're only like 7.
Oh, up here.
Ayan guys, so it's a good sign. May tubig na tayong nakikita. So it means malapit na yung waterfalls.
I saw one in Campbelltown. It's really nice. Oh, here. That should be deep enough. Ha?
Okay, siguro guys malapit na rin yung malapit na rin yung hinahanap namin.
It's just good for the
Talagang
kids.
watercourse. So,
That's good for the
anuhin
kids.
lang natin tong tubig na to. Ito lang yung sinusundan namin para mahanap namin
Akyat pa kami,
yung
guys.
watercourse.
Akyat
Actually,
pa,
wala kami
akyat.
wala kami
Another
guide.
hagdan. Oh,
So,
hagdan.
pinuntahan lang namin
Dito
ito
pa may hagdan.
para makita na talaga namin kung anong
Another
hitsura. Kasi
hagdan,
masarap
guys.
kasi mag-swimming sa fresh
So
water
finally,
kaysa sa
yan, nakita tayo ulit.
swimming pool na
Nakita tayo ulit
may
ng
chlorine.
hagdan.
Ayun.
Hagdan, hagdan. Huh. 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 Pero at least maliit lang siya. Maliit lang siya nakahagdan. Ayan, so gusto mong pahinga. Ayan, marami namang mauupuan. Ayan yung mga kasama ko, babagal. Hi, bilis! Oh. Ayan sila. Steps. Another steps. Oh. Guys, mukhang malapit na tayo dito, guys. Ayan, so another. Buti nilagyan ng ganito. Buti guys nilagyan ng ganito, oh. Oh, ganda. Buti nilagyan siya ng ganito. Oh, diba? On here. Come on, Trish. Ah! We saw it now. We saw it. Oh my goodness, guys. So, ito yung kanyang guys. Oh. What is this? What is this? What the heck? Aray. Oh my goodness, guys. Dito na kami. Andito na kami, guys. Kaya lang. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. What? Good one, Tom. Good one. Yeah, you go this way. This way. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Nahulog yung sombrero niya. Oh.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion's here tonight.
I'm surprised there's no one here. Sulit na tayo, guys. Ayan, guys. So, pinakita ko talaga sa inyo lahat ng steps para makarating dito. Ayun. So, ito yung niya. Ayan, guys. Oh! What is that? What is... Huh? What is that? Wow, look at this! Ah! Guys, ang ganda! It's beautiful! Ayan na siya, guys. So, ngayon, mag-swimming kami dito, guys.
The waterfall, wow. Come here, move. Need a piece of that. Recording mom. Oh my god, look at her. Fuck, I'm going in. By YouTube.
There are like 40, 70 or 45 minutes.
Yeah, but they don't like the water. Maybe the snake. Huh? In the water?
That's real, right?
Enjoy sila masyado sa ano.
Where's the water, man?
Don't disturb it, we. And there's a lizard.
That's it.
It is same. Look at the lizard, guys.
You can stay by as well.
Don't get too close, otherwise. Look.
Yeah, jumping.
He jump on you, yeah.
That's so cool. Hello, little lizard. My name's Light.
Oh, Savannah.
Posing for you, Tom.
My lizard. We look at the tree. What's inside on the tree? Huh? Hello, lizard. Gano'n pa siya.
Take a photo. Oh, it's looking around.
Look, he's watching us. He's watching. Yan, pauwi na kami guys. Yan guys, bababa na kami. Yan, bababa na kami galing. Balik na kami doon sa baba na waterfalls na pinag-swimmingan namin. Maganda rin dito sa taas guys. Maganda rin yung ano, swimming pool dito sa taas. Kaya nga lang, kailangan. So ito may truck pa papunta doon. Pero I guess, ay may truck papunta doon. Siguro may waterfalls pa yan doon sa taas. Na mas bongga. So ito yung ipakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung truck na papunta dito sa taas sa susunod na waterfalls. Ayan. So ito ganito kay steep guys. Yung akyatin mo. Ayan, iniwan ko yung kape. Ayan, so ganyan kataas yung akyatin mo pupunta dito.
Well, that's a scary jump. Jump. Oh my god, look at, oh my god, mother. Mother. Hi. Oh my god. Jump. Jump. Do it.
Ayan na guys. Pauwi na kami guys. So, tapos na kami dito sa waterfalls. So, second waterfalls down guys. Ngayong summer. So, sunod na waterfalls na papuntahan namin ay Minamora Falls. Minamora rin Paris. So, malapit lang din dito. So, magandang exercise. Magandang exercise. Ano pag napagod? Ayun, refreshing. Kasi masarap mag-swimming guys sa fresh water. Diba mas maganda mag-swimming pag nandoon ka sa sa swimming pool. So diba, ang ingay ng mga kasama ko. Ingay. So yun guys. Enjoy much ang people. Ang sarap. Yan, thanks for watching my videos. Guys, this is vlog 823. Thank you everyone.